Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here in Cape Coral, Florida. Today we are talking about why you should have landscape lighting. This service is one of our favorite services. There's a lot of huge benefits to this service. I always know we're bringing so much value every time we install one of these projects. Today we're just going to go over a few reasons why these installs are so game-changing to the property itself. Number one, safety. Anytime you're walking around on your property, there is a certain opportunity for there to be step up, step down, things that you need to watch out for. So it can give you safety of if there's different levels and anything to watch for while you're walking on your property. Say you're walking on your sidewalk to your backyard and there's a step up to the patio. We can illuminate all of those things to guide people through, to warm a walkway, to warm any area there's going to be foot traffic, so people can see as well at night as they can in day. And this isn't just some safety light that is bright and blinding. This is warm, nice, very controlled light, stays out of your eyes. So there's a bunch of different ways we can accent different features, from up lighting to down lighting to path lighting to everything in between. There's so much opportunity. Number two, security in general. Here in Florida, or at least Southwest, especially Cape Coral, I just noticed how dark it is. So from a security aspect, you're able to do a couple different things here. If you have a landscape along the back of your property or along the back of your fence, or you have palms, we can uplight these. We can put bed lights in. We can create some depth in your backyard by lighting at the very back of it, adding not just depth this way, but depth height-wise if we uplight a palm to make it more aesthetically pleasing. So now we've made something look awesome on the back of the property, added another eye-catching piece of your property, and added security because now we can see into the backyard. So if something was walking across it, there was an animal, there was a person, there was whatever, now you'd be able to see it and it's not just a black hole at night. We all know how it is when you turn the lights on in a house and there's no lights out of the back of a property. It is immediately just pitch black and you can't see anything. So it adds a huge level of security. Now, the aesthetics. The massive aesthetic change you can make in your property. Adding depth to the front of a house by doing wall washes, warming a sidewalk by doing path lights, warming and adding depth to palm trees, to hardwood trees, lighting canopies of trees. So now a tree has light cast all the way up it. You get a lot of depth in it. You also get the beautifully lit canopy of it that now is creating a warm glow down on all of its surroundings. There's just so many opportunities to take a property and change it 3,000% from just a couple little things. Some uplighting, some path lighting, some down lighting, some kind of little accent lighting that is warm and inviting to make the property easier to see. One of my biggest things with landscape lighting, I have them in front of my house, I have them behind my house. We even have our lanai lighting that we install at my house. Now, if you spend a lot of money in landscaping, you only get to see it during the day. Now you can see all of your beautiful home, your beautiful landscaping, day or night. So that investment you made in landscaping and in your home, you get to enjoy it no matter what the time of the day is. And me personally, I think it all looks better at night with lighting because the aesthetics are just so out of this world. Now finally, one of the final reasons I love our products, I love our landscape lighting, is we offer lifetime warranties on the lights themselves. There's a lifetime warranty on the light, limited warranty on the bulb. We are now moving into where if we do maintenance to keep all of your lights aligned, clean, and checked, we're going to make it where it is a lifetime warranty on everything. So even if you don't get that, the lifetime warranty on the fixture itself is incredible. They're all quality products. So you've got that peace of mind that what's installed is going to work for a long, long time. So it's not just enough that you get the safety, the security, and the major aesthetics. You get the security of knowing you've got a quality product and a company that's going to stand behind it. So if landscape lighting is something you'd be interested in, if it's something you would like to see pictures of, you would like to speak to somebody on the team about because you just really want to brighten up your house and maybe make it easier for people to find you or for it to stick out or accent things that you want to see, we can do that for you. Please give us a call here at Scooters Lawn Care, or go on scooterslawncarefl.com and submit a form, and we cannot wait to start working with you.